Hello, my name is Leah Brandt. I'm going to be doing my Seminar 5 reflections during week 6. Questions I chose to do today were, what is the difference between leadership and leader? And how does establishing a climate of trust assist the team? Well, first question, what is the difference between leadership and a leader? As the book states, leadership is the use of communication to modify attitudes and behaviors of members of the group, goals, and needs. And a leader is any person in the group who uses interpersonal influence to help the group achieve its goals. So a leader would be someone who uses personal experiences and personal reflections and personal opinions in order to make the group successful. As in, leadership would be communication within the group as a whole, taking on the problems of the group and meeting the goals as one. I think it's important to have both leadership and a leader in a group, because a leader gives guidance to achieving your goals, while leadership, everyone works together, is the way I understand it. The other question, how does establishing a climate of trust assist the team? The book also states that groups perform more effectively when members trust one another. And there's 3 steps to building trust in a group. Step 1, establish norms that build trust. Step 2, function as a coordinator rather than a dictator. And step 3, encourage members to get to know each other. I think all 3 of these steps are extremely important when it comes to group work. When you're a leader in a group, you don't want everybody to think you think you're more important than the person sitting next to you. I think it's important that you talk to people on a personal level, not on a level where you think you're better than them. And if your group members think they can come to you with a problem or situation and they know that you're going to solve it effectively, you have a better chance of having a successful group, because with a leader that has a trust, with a leader that has gained trust throughout the group is more willing to follow that leader and have trust in that leader to get the job done. And if you're the leader in the group, as step number 2 says, function as a coordinator rather than a dictator. You want people to think of you as their equal. You don't want people to think of you as their superior. I've seen people have a tendency to not want to listen to somebody that thinks they're better than somebody else. Once I used to be a manager, assistant manager, I would always talk to people. I didn't want to talk down to people because I didn't like being talked down to. So if I didn't like it, I wasn't going to do it to anybody else. I think one of the most important concepts that we've talked about so far this whole semester would have to be communication. Without communication, you have nothing. Communication is key in any group work. Well, I gotta cut this. Thank you for listening.